Today we're talking the vision and leadership of Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, from pushing for regulatory clarity to advocating for blockchain innovation. Garlinghouse has been at the forefront of shaping the future of digital finance. Let's break down his insights and what they mean for Ripple, XRP, and the broader crypto industry. Brad Garlinghouse has consistently emphasized Ripple's visions to address inefficiencies in traditional cross-border payments. He described the current systems as slow and expensive, which is why Ripple leverages blockchain technology and XRP to enable faster, cheaper, and more reliable global transactions. As reported by TradingView, Garlinghouse envisions an internet of value, where money moves as seamlessly as information does online. One of Garlinghouse's strongest messages is the need for clear regulations in the crypto space. He repeatedly stated that Ripple isn't asking to be deregulated. They are asking for clear rules of the road. According to Crypto Slate, in a recent meeting with U.S. lawmakers like Senator Tim Scott and Representative Richie Torres, Garlinghouse highlighted the opportunity to bypass bipartisan legislation that supports innovation while ensuring market stability. Legislative efforts like FIT21 bill and stablecoin focuses acts are gaining traction in Congress, signaling progress toward a structured framework for digital assets. This clarity is crucial not just for Ripple, but for the entire crypto industry to thrive. In other words, the FIT21 bill and stablecoin-focused acts are new laws being discussed in Congress. They aim to create clear rules for cryptocurrencies like XRP and the companies that use them. These rules will help everyone understand which government agencies oversee digital assets and how they should be regulated. This clarity is important because it removes confusion and helps businesses like Ripple, as well as the entire crypto industry, grow and innovate. For example, let's imagine you are driving on a road with no signs or traffic lights. It's chaotic, and no one knows who has the right of way. That's what the crypto industry has been like without clear regulation. The FIT21 bill is like putting up proper signs, traffic lights, and rules so everybody knows how to move forward safely and efficiently. For Ripple and XRP, these rules means that they can operate confidently without worrying about unclear or conflicting laws. This explanation uses a relatable analogy to make the concept easier to understand while highlighting its importance to Ripple and the broader cryptocurrency industry. Garlinghouse has urged XRP holders to look beyond short-term price movements and focus on its real-world utility. And I agree with this statement because XRP isn't just a currency, it's a tool designed to solve real problems in global finance. Let me explain. Brad Garlinghouse encouraged people who own XRP to stop focusing only on its price going up or down in the short term. Instead, they should think about how XRP is being focused to solve real problems in global finance. XRP isn't just another currency, it's a tool that makes international payments faster, cheaper, and more efficient. I completely agree with this because XRP has practical uses that go beyond speculation. For example, think of XRP like a high-speed train. Some people might only care about the ticket prices going up or down, the short-term price. But the real value of the train is how quickly and efficiently it gets people from one place to another. It's real-world use. Similarly, XRP is valuable because it helps banks and businesses move money across borders quickly and at a low cost, not just because its price changes on the market. As noted by Binance Square, Ripple has been building partnerships with banks, financial institutions, and even government-backed projects to drive adoption. He believes that as these use cases expand, XRP value will grow organically, not through speculation but through its increasing utility in cross-border payments. In January 2025, Garlinghouse took a bold stance against proposals for Bitcoin-only U.S. digital assets reserve. Instead, he advocated for a more inclusive approach that reflects the diversity of the crypto ecosystem. According to Crypto Slate, focusing solely on Bitcoin will fail to capture a broader potential of digital assets like XRP. Garlinghouse stressed that this isn't a zero-sum game. The crypto industry needs collaboration and unity to achieve shared goals. Following recent meetings with policymakers in Washington, D.C., Garlinghouse expressed optimism about bipartisan cooperation on crypto regulation. He described this moment as an incredible opportunity to advance meaningful legislation. Under President Trump's administration, pro-crypto appointments at agencies like the SEC and CFTC have further fueled hopes for fair and transparent rules. As reportedly by CoinGeek, Garlinghouse believes this regulatory clarity will finally provide businesses like Ripple with the certainty they need to innovate confidently. Before we wrap up, let's talk about a major development that's creating waves in the XRP community. This February 14, 2025, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, officially acknowledged Grayscale's application for a spot XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF. This acknowledgement is a significant milestone because in the past, altcoin ETF applications were often dismissed outright under the stricter regulation leadership. According to DLNews, this acknowledgement marks a shift in the SEC's approach, reflecting a more crypto-friendly stance under the Trump administration. The SEC's acknowledgement triggers a formal 240-day review period, meaning a final decision on whether to approve or deny the ETF must be made by mid-October 2025. During this time, public comments and regulatory feedback will shape the outcome. Bloomberg analysts have estimated that there is now a 65% chance of approval for an XRP ETF before the end of 2025. With some predicting even higher odds given recently regulatory shifts. This news has already had a positive impact on the market. Following the SEC's acknowledgement, XRP price surged by over 12%, reaching a market cap of $157 billion. Analysts believe that if approved, an XRP ETF will allow institutional investors to gain exposure to XRP without directly purchasing it, potentially driving adoption and increasing its long-term value. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse also weighed in, stating that an XRP ETF is inevitable as institutional adoption continues to grow. This development could be a game changer for Ripple and the broader crypto industry as it signals growing acceptance of digital assets in traditional financial markets. Having spent my entire career in the global banking industry collaborating with one of the 5 major banks in Canada, I truly understand the challenges and inefficiencies of traditional financial systems. I also work extensively in international trade finance and payments, and I am very familiar with the SWIFT system. Its time, delays, has cost, and other issues. During my time in the Latin American division of this major Canadian bank, I witnessed firsthand just how critical it is to have efficient currency transfer across borders. These experiences have given me a deep appreciation of what Ripple and XRP are trying to achieve. Brad Garlinghouse's vision of using cryptocurrency to revolutionize global payments resonates strongly with me because it aligns perfectly with what I've always believed, that we need faster, cheaper, and more inclusive solutions for moving money worldwide. As we discussed today, Ripple's innovative use of blockchain technology and XRP is not just about improving payment system, it's about creating a more connected, efficient, and equitable financial future. The acknowledgement of Grayscale's XRP ETF application by the SEC is yet another step forward for this vision, signaling growing acceptance of digital assets in mainstream finance. I'm excited about what lies ahead for Ripple XRP and the broader crypto industry. The future of global payments is evolving rapidly. I believe we are witnessing a pivotal moment in financial history. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Let's continue exploring how innovation is reshaping the way we think about money and Garlinghouse's vision. Are you excited about Ripple's role in shaping global payments? I am.